All right, you guys, we're looking at number 6. So on this one, we're supposed to graph this function. So remember that the vertex form for a parabola looks like this. If you have the equation of your quadratic in this form, then the vertex is going to be h comma k. So basically, you're going to take this one right here, and you're going to change its sign. Notice how it's got a negative in front of it here, but over here it's positive. And then for the k, it's a positive k and it's a positive k. So for that one, you're going to keep the sign the same. So I always like to tell people for this one, switch the sign. And for this one, keep it the same. Okay. So we're looking at our particular problem. So let me go ahead and pull or write this one down, right? Okay. You'll notice it is in vertex form, so it should be really easy for us to come in here and get our vertex. So we're going to switch the sign on this one. So instead of +3, it's going to be -3. And then for this one, it's going to stay the same. So +8 really is going to be a +8. So we're going to go over to our pictures over here, and let's try to find one that goes through -3, 8. So let me check out this one. Okay, so let's see. I think they're counting by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. They are. So -3, that could be -3 if one square is worth 4. And then 8, let's see, 4, 8. Okay, so that one's at least in the right spot. So it could be A, right? I'm looking at this one right here. There's no way it is at -3, 8 because they ended up going to the right. They went positive, right? So this one's out. So we know for sure it's not C. And this one's out too because they went to the right and up. We know they're supposed to go to the left and up, okay? So for sure C and D are out. Let me go look at B to see if it could be going through -3, 8. -3 could be about right there if each square is worth 4, huh? And then 4, 8. Yep, so this could be in the right spot. Now, the next thing that we have to check, now that we realize that it could be A or B, and that these two are out of here, is we have to figure out which way our parabola is facing. So you can see that A is 5 on our particular parabola. So we know that that implies, since it's positive, that it's going to be facing up. So the only one it could possibly be then is A, since B is facing down. So let's go ahead and go pick A for this problem. Perfect. So just to recap, change the sign on the one in parentheses and don't change the sign on the one outside of the parentheses. So -3, 8. Go and look at your A to see which way your parabola is facing. Is it facing up or is it facing down? All right, you guys. Number 6 doesn't look too bad now that we kind of have gone through the mechanics. Good luck. Thanks for joining me.